Hello and welcome to Petlight Tech Tips, where we share unboxings, troubleshoot, and more. Our flagship tower, the LR series, has a variety of mounting options. It is very flexible for any application. The SZL-001 comes standard with every LJ type of mounting. This can be replaced with other brackets. SZK-001U is a wall mount bracket. SZ-016A is a 4-point mounting bracket. And SZ-010 is a longer neck option. A hex driver is recommended for attaching some brackets. Removing the L bracket exposes the threads on pole 22-0300 AT. Loosen the set screws and feed the cable through. SZ-010 is held in place by set screws. There is a notch for feeding the cable through the side. SZ-016A has a shorter neck than SZ-010, but also uses 2 set screws to mount in place. There are 4 mounting holes for a surface mount and no side exit for the cable. SZK-001U is a wall mount option for a pole. It also uses 2 set screws to hold in place. There is a lip for the pole to land in with the cable coming out the back. One note is that the screws will dig into the threads and may damage them if over-tightened. A threaded pole can be switched for a non-threaded pole, and vice versa. In this example, we are switching to a 100mm black non-threaded pole. Remove the self-tapping screws and swap the pole. There are extrusions on the inside that match with the opening on the LR tower. SCP-003 comes standard on the PJ mounting style. This can be swapped to SCP-001W and SCQ-001W. SCQ-001W is the standard mounting option for a QJ style. Pressing the lever releases the front cover to allow the cable to be fed through. The screw holes line up with the pole extrusions for mounting. SCP-001 has a longer neck and 4 mounting screw holes. There is a side exit notch for the cable to have a flush direct mount. SCP-003 is the standard direct mount for a PJ part number. It has the same matching screw holes for the pole 22. The previous brackets with set screws are also compatible with the non-threaded pole. With the black anodized pole, the screw marks are more notable when the set screws are over-tightened. The pole bracket can be swapped back to a WJ direct mount style. With direct mount, it can be wall mounted with SCK-003W. The cable is fed through the back. In this case, there are 3 M4 nuts to mount the WJ bracket. SCK-004 has a cable fed through the bottom. This is also compatible with the M4 nuts. There is also a cable gland to maintain the IP rating. There is no opening on the back. These are some of the mounting options available for the LR series. Thank you for watching and have a great day.